Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are opening the Sword and Shield. This is the Ultra Premium Collection, Charizard. The highly coveted. Some people think that it's going to be over printed, and that could be true because, there's been so much hype about this. Most places have sold out so early. So we'll see, but it's still fun nevertheless. Nice box. Oh wow, this is really nice. This is a really nice box. So let's go ahead and pull everything out. Wow, you guys get a lot in this box. Alright guys, there's a Sword and Shield little pamphlet here. Promos, goes over a couple things. The only thing I don't like is you guys see how they package it. So it kind of bounces around. Luckily, it looks like this Charizard is not too bad. Looks like a little corner. Not too bad. But you would think by now Pokemon would be like, oh hey, promo cards. Let's not let them loose. So Lost Origin, Astral, Brilliant, and Brilliant. Get a little V-Star plastic emblem there. So, feels like these are metal dice. Gold metal dice. 2 coins. Metal coins. That's pretty cool. You get your sleeves. I can see these being collectors as far as people wanting to use them. And then, in this other pack, Fusion, Evolving Skies, Vivid Voltage. Another that's a Charizard coin, and Darkness Ablaze. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packs in here. Let's go ahead and do the Brilliant Stars. We may do more if we pull anything good from this pack. We'll do more. Give you guys the code. Yeah, so the Charizard. Well, let's take it out here. So if we take it out, we could really look over it better to see the corners, because there are other cards behind it that kind of block the corner. So yeah, this is what we get. Charizard VMAX. Seems to be a little better condition. And V-Star. Really nice cards. So they are very beautiful. But I don't like how they package them. That's really not smart, but very beautiful cards. I'm not quite sure what's actually in here. Oh, wait till you guys see this. We gotta lay it out. Alright guys, check this out. So this is a mouse pad. Now, because they had it folded, you got a ripple. Over time, that should smooth out. But that is so cool. That is just really cool, guys. That's impressive. I'm not gonna lie, I do like that a lot. And you add that to the background, come on. That's just cool. Alright guys, here we go. Brilliant Stars. Let's pull the God Pack. Come on. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. So here you guys go. Free code. Did we do that wrong? I'm not sure. So oh, what do we got behind here? And we'll take it. We'll take it. Let's go ahead and drop another pack for y'all. Let's actually see what packs that we got. I know this video is getting kind of long, so those who are still watching. Oh, this one feels like a pretty thick pack, pretty nice pack. Let's do an Astral Radiance. that one feels like a really thick pack. We're gonna go with another Brilliant Stars. We'll drop a Fusion Strike here for y'all. Dark. Now there's only one Darkness one. We'll do Evolving Skies. So you guys are seeing a couple packs. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's move these out of the way. I gotta really look over those cards to see damage or anything, but they are beautiful cards. I can see why people are so hyped about it. We're just gonna quickly do this here. So there we go. In our rare. If we pull any good cards, I'll give you guys more free codes. So you guys got to say some magic. You got to do the magic. It's up to you guys if we pull any good cards. So wherever you guys are, come on. We need the magic. Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, we'll take it. We might give a card. We might give another code. If we can hit something here, not bad. Oh my goodness. That was a pretty poorly opened. Oh, okay. Jolteon. Alright. We'll give you guys a code. First come, first serve. As always, you guys know how this works. Hopefully by now, you've seen plenty of my reviews all over Amazon. Oh, hold on. All right. We'll take it. Nice. Just for that, you guys get another free code. Oh, we got one pack left. Lost Origins coming out. Are we going to come out with a massive hit here? Let's find out, guys. Let's find out what we got. Little Snorlax. Oh, we love... Oh, what? All right. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, you guys are getting, you know what? You guys are going to get 3 codes here. You're going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. I would say, so far, I am overwhelmingly happy with this. We still got all these packs left to go for a future time. Thank you guys for sticking with me for 8 minutes. I mean, come on. Nice. Let's go ahead and put these cards away.